Hi first graders. Yesterday in math we learned how to use a picture graph to show information and count how many of something and compare two things to see which had more and less. Today we're going to use something called a bar graph. So our learning target is I can use a bar graph to show how many. So bar graphs can go across or they can go up and down, and the longest line will show more and the shorter line will show less. So I did one on favorite pets, and I just made this up. And I pretended like we had 8 kids and they were choosing either a cat or a dog for their favorite pet. So to tell how many liked cat the best, you go across and count the boxes. There's also numbers here. So if one box is colored in, it's 1, then 2, then 3. I see on cat 3 boxes are colored in, so that would mean 3 kids chose cat as their favorite pet. And then for dogs, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes colored in. So that would mean 5 kids chose dogs for their favorite pets. So which pet had more people choose it for their favorite? It would be dog, because the bar is longer in the bar graph and it shows 5. And cat, the bar is shorter and it only shows 3. So a bar graph is a way to compare information, a way to show how many, and that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be looking at this page that shows snacks, and you're going to tell how many kids like certain snacks. You're going to say which snack the most kids chose, which snack the least kids chose. And then on the back, you're going to compare some information too. They have favorite school activities, and they're going to ask you questions like, how many more children chose soccer than dance? Let's try that with pets. So if 5 kids chose dogs as their favorite pet, and 3 kids chose cats as their favorite pet, how many more kids chose dogs than pets? So I can look at my bar graph, and if they had the same number, we would stop right there. They would both have 3. But I see 1, 2 more boxes colored. So that would mean 2 more kids chose dogs than cats. I also could go 5 people like dogs and 3 like cats, so 5 minus 3 would be 2. That would be another way to tell how many more liked dogs than cats. Now, if I said how many fewer like cats than dogs, I have 2 less boxes colored in, so I could say 2 fewer liked cats than dogs. And that's what you're doing today. You got this. Bye.